In this video, we will look at the installation of the services and culverts that are often under a road. Roads usually have quite a few services underneath them. We do not want to dig up the road surface to install them later. Therefore, we need to install these services as the earthworks activities progress. There are a number of services under a road. The road itself usually has a drainage system to collect and safely dispose of water in the road pavement and water falling on the road. Water can get into the subbase and base course layers. This water needs to be removed as it can weaken these layers. So that's done by installing subsurface drains, which normally connect into the drainage system. Water on the surface of the road also needs to be removed and disposed of, and this is done with catch pits and the stormwater system. The stormwater system includes catch pits, manholes, and pipes, which all need to be installed underneath the road surface. We may also have other services such as water, wastewater, power, and telecom systems, which are also installed underground. Most of these services are installed in the berm, but they often have sections going under the road carriageway. So it is usually important to install these sections at the same time as the earthworks are underway. The pipes and ducts used for these systems can be crushed by earthworks plant if they are too shallow. Therefore, we often construct the fill, then dig the trenches for these services. This results in the pipes being laid well below the surface when we do the final compaction and shaping of the road formation. And then we build the road over top of that, or the road pavement over top of that. This photo shows a subsoil drain and stormwater manhole that have been installed at the side of the road. The drain will be connected to the manhole and then the subgrade will be prepared. Note that the constructors have put down a layer of aggregate to allow their plant to move on the subgrade. That material was compacted and shaped into the subgrade surface. This photo shows various services that go under a road. The orange ducts will carry power cables while the green ducts carry telecom. The blue pipes are the water system. These services are at the side of the road, but they cross the road lower down at the intersection you can see in the background. We may also need to install culverts and underpasses under the road. Culverts are large pipe structures that allow streams to flow under a road. Underpasses allow stock to cross under the road and may be used where the road splits up a farm. We may also install underpasses on busy roads to allow people to safely cross under the road. This photo shows a culvert being constructed. The road would eventually run across the culvert from the left to the right of the photo. The road fill would be constructed over the culvert once it's completed. In this case, they're using corrugated steel culvert pipe. Culverts may also be constructed using reinforced concrete pipes or rectangular sections.